Let's get you the latest, and this is in regard to the 15-year-old Odisha girl who was set on fire in Puri district by 3 people. She was airlifted to AIIMS in the national capital on Sunday. A green corridor was set to take the patient from AIIMS Bhubaneswar to the international airport. She's been brought with a 75% burns. 70 to 75% burns is what she has sustained in that attack. She was airlifted from Bhubaneswar and received at the AIIMS hospital here in the national capital at about 4:30 in the evening yesterday. She is currently admitted to the burn ICU in the burns and surgery plastic block. Her condition is said to be critical and she is on oxygen support. My colleague Anushka joining us from the AIIMS hospital. Anushka, take us through, this really comes at the heels of the incident that took place in Balasore of that college girl. Now is this, 15-year-old girl who was, walking to her friend's house to return some books is when she was attacked by these 3 men, suffering from 70 to 75 percent burn injuries. She's now been brought to Delhi. What is a health update that we have for us? And of course, this is a very, very critical situation at this point in time, considering that, in the previous case, the 90% burns led to the death of the college student. So, the opposition also up in arms in regard to this case. Take us through the details.
That's right, Divya. This horrific incident has come from Odisha's Puri, where a 15-year-old girl was set on fire by 3 miscreants while she was walking to her friend's house to return the books. What we do know, according to the statement issued by the AIIMS authorities, is that the girl is in fact right now suffering from 75% burns, and not just that, her situation is stable yet critical at this point of time. The advanced treatment is in fact going on, but what really raises the question is that how come when a girl was walking to her friend's house merely 1.5 kilometers away from her home, this incident took place. Now this has in fact also created a political storm, and the opposition questioning the government as to how this incident has in fact taken place in Odisha's Puri district. And not just that, what we do know by now is that the police has launched a manhunt for all the 3 persons who are involved in this particular case. What is quite raising a question is that when the girl was walking towards her friend's house, she was kidnapped, doused with petrol, and then was set on fire after this incident was taking place. According to girl's account, she was given a chemical laden, handkerchief to smell, and not just that. After she was in fact not in her senses, when she was set on fire, she ran to her house and had knocked the door and had screamed, to the people nearby to save her. After that, one person had in fact come out of his home and then saved the girl, and rescued her from the fire. But what we do know by now is that she is right now suffering from 75% of burns, is now admitted at AIIMS Burns and Surgery Department, and is in fact going advanced treatment at this point of time. Over to you.